Hi everyone, I just received a package from arrtx. They sent me this acrylic markers and I'm just checking out the box. And on the bottom you can see the actual marker designs as well as the color that is available in this set. Time to open it up carefully, very carefully. I really don't want to damage the box because it's quite a sturdy box. Opening the box is actually very satisfying for me. Am I the only one? The first thing you see when you open the box is a letter from arrtx, and of course the markers that were jumbled. Well, that was kind of my fault for checking the box upside down. When I really look thoroughly, I am starting to really like the design of this box. Because just like that, layers upon layers, it's just easy to get the markers or the gradient that we want. Not gonna lie, it's quite satisfying disassembling this box. I'm gonna do this a lot. And that's all the colors, and at the bottom of the box there's nothing. And here are the colors. And this is how the marker looks. It's quite a pretty design, not gonna lie. And there are instructions as well. Shake before using, so let's shake it. I don't want to bore you when I'm swatching, so let's fast forward. These are all the colors at that set, all 60 colors including the black and white. And it's quite a good selection of colors, not gonna lie. But before I'll be using these markers in a little bit bigger drawing first, I'll just use it to try it out. And I'll be using this mini sketchbook of mine to just test out the markers. What are their strengths, weaknesses? Can they even blend well, or do they just layer? In this test, I'm just going to use the markers. I'm not aiming to draw a masterpiece on this one, because honestly I'm not really that good at using acrylic markers, because I'm used to alcohol markers, but acrylic not so much. So yeah, this is going to be a challenge for me. So yeah, wish me luck. These markers layer pretty well and also blend well. I was surprised about that blending part though, because they are acrylic markers and some say they don't really blend well, but in this case they actually blend if you shake the markers. So we really have to follow instructions. If a certain marker says shake it before using it, you really should shake it, because I tried using one of the markers without shaking it, and the flow of the colors aren't really good, as you can see in the video. And you can also see that if I shake the markers really well, the flow of the colors are really somewhat juicy, and yeah, they blend well when you are using your fingers. test drawing is done, and I'm quite surprised with the result. Now let's draw another one. This is also a test drawing to just really familiarize the markers without the stress on making the drawing good. So sorry if the drawings is not that good. In the other drawing I didn't outline it black, so in this other trial drawing I used black, and I don't really like it that much. Anyway, let's draw the final drawing, and for this I'm going to draw my original character. And honestly, I am not confident in using acrylic markers on a character because I am still in the process of studying color theory, so this is really going to be hard for me because I'm not using alcohol markers, I'm using acrylic markers, who I am not familiar, or I haven't mastered it. I've just used acrylic markers, thrice? So I'm not really confident. But I am an artist, so I need to try new things, even if it ends in a disaster. So wish me luck. In this stage, I am very, very stressed at the moment, and I am really fighting to not just abandon this drawing and just move forward. But I persisted. I just keep repeating on my mind, trust the process, trust the process. You watching, you already seen the thumbnail and maybe you think it's nice, but me, the one who is drawing and coloring right now, is stressed beyond belief. Who can relate? They said drawing should be a stress reliever, and it is for the most part when I'm sketching. I'm not really that good at coloring, okay? So if you're an artist watching this, could you comment in the comment section? Any tips for me to improve using acrylic markers? That would be very helpful. And if you like videos like this, I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe and like the video. Thank you in advance. Thankfully, the drawing is finally coming together. And I am now at the point that I want to finish this drawing and not so much as abandoning it. So, yeah. And what I've noticed while using these markers is the ink or color flow is really good if you don't forget to shake it. So, if you are using this type of markers and they said in print on the markers themselves, shake the markers, you better shake that marker to really blend the colors, as well as, see, the color is really like butter. It's really satisfying, and I am liking it very, very much. And it's really helpful that it's a fine tip, so I can really control that trajectory that I'm using it. If you are watching on June 23 to 26, then you're in luck, because the markers I am using right now has a discount at the moment, or rather Prime Day promotions run from 23 of June to 26 your local time. And the details are in the description if you are interested in buying one for yourself. Thank you arrtx for sending me this markers. I got this markers for free, by the way. Thanks to arrtx. And to you that is watching, have fun drawing, don't stress yourself too much. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.